Hey guys, I'm James, and welcome to the Speed Freaks Builder Series. Just want to give you a quick reminder that we've partnered with the Prostate Cancer Foundation to kick prostate cancer's ass, and for you guys not to forget to enter for your chance to win. Every $5 is one entry. Let's see what Ant's up to with the build.
So my name's Antony. I run a YouTube channel called For the Bold, and what I do on there is customise motorcycles. Started off with the cafe racers scene, and as styles and tastes and everything evolves and changes, started going more into kind of scrambler builds, tracker builds, but it all comes under the umbrella of modifying a bike. It's all the same thing, parts are interchangeable, and yeah, it's the passion of building a bike, regardless of what style it is. It's the passion of building a bike and taking viewers on that journey as well, and viewers can watch my progress, learn through my mistakes, learn through my successes, and hopefully inspire others to do the same. So I think motorcycles brings everyone together. You go out for a ride, you naturally wave to riders, stop at a garage somewhere, and riders will start talking to other riders. You don't have to know people, and I think that's a wonderful thing.
Now, it's no secret that we like to have fun here, and I'm a firm believer that if you can't at least have a little fun, you're doing it wrong. But sometimes we gotta drop the front wheel and put down the rubber chicken for something that really matters, like prostate cancer. Partnering with the Prostate Cancer Foundation for a Speed Freaks build series has allowed us to educate ourselves a little on the facts about prostate cancer. And raising money after that just didn't seem like quite enough, so we figured helping spread awareness would just be the right thing to do. In the United States, 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer, and black men, that rises to 1 in 5. In fact, black dudes, you're 73% more likely to develop prostate cancer than white dudes, and 2.3 times more likely to die from it. That's rough, so take care of yourselves, and don't ignore the signs like frequent or painful urination, new onset of ED, discomfort when sitting, or change in bowel habits. You might think, hey, I'm healthy, I don't even smoke. Well, I'll tell you, a non-smoking guy is more likely to develop prostate cancer than colon, bladder, melanoma, lymphoma, and kidney cancers all combined. Yeah, roll that fact up and smoke it. More than 3 million men in America alone are living with prostate cancer, and as men age, the risk increases exponentially. 60% of cases are found in men 65 and over. Now, they say wisdom comes with age, so the seasoned among you should prove it. Set an example for the young dudes and make sure to schedule an annual exam. And guys with a family history, father, brother, son, who have been diagnosed are twice as likely to get it. So it pays to talk about it. And it doesn't have to be an awkward, so bro, what's up with your butt? Real talk. Hey dad, I don't want to die, man. You ever had any prostate issues? Communication is simple, free, and effective. But it's not all doom and gloom though. There's things you can do to help prevent prostate cancer. Stay fit, eat less and move more. Watch your calcium intake, especially supplemental doses above 1,500 milligrams a day. Eat more fish, cooked tomatoes, olive oil, and, word of the day, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. Also, don't smoke! Like you needed any more reasons. Don't ignore problems like high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, or depression. Take care of yourself. You're a man, not a machine, and there is no shame in putting down the spanner and working on yourself for a bit. And chill. Try to relax, enjoy the good things in your life. Reduce stress, improves survivorship, and leads to a longer life. Now, the global medical community and the Prostate Cancer Foundation in particular have made incredible strides. Prostate cancer is now 100% treatable if detected early. In fact, if caught in its earliest stages, most men won't even experience any symptoms. That's freaking awesome. Isn't it great to live in the future? Now, we might not all have flying cars, but we can certainly kick prostate cancer's ass. Now, let's get back to your archaic two-wheeled dinosaur juice-burning mechanical horses. Thanks for watching. Be sure to join us next time in the Dime City Garage for another awesome episode of Speed Freaks. Hey, you! Do all this crap down here, alright? And be sure to watch these videos right over here. And be sure to check out DimeCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.